Hey guys, once again welcome you all in this particular video. So today we'll talk in detail about NIT Surat and now it is with respect to the NIMSET. Guys, मैं इंजीनियरिंग की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Here I'm talking about the MCA program जो आप परस्यू कर सकते हो from NIT Surat after cracking the NIMSET. Okay, so watch this video till the end because we'll talk in detail about all the criterias such as eligibility criteria, paper pattern, cutoff, seat availability, campus, and the most important one, that is nothing but the placement criteria. Okay guys, so watch till the end. And why I mentioned this particular pick, so guys, आप जानते हो NIT Surat, it is well known as a college who has its own beach or private beach, कुछ भी कह सकते हो आप guys. So beautiful campus जिसमें natural flora and beauties मिलेगी आपको guys because it has its own beach. Okay, so let's talk in detail about all the features of NIT Surat. So before moving further guys, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra MCA CET and also for the NIMSET. So if you are preparing for Maharashtra colleges or the NITs, you can prepare with us. So you can interact live with us. You will receive books at your doorstep. You will learn various shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share all your doubts, and throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions, and you will also get the mentorship. So what are you waiting for? Book your seat right now. Call on 8228581455 or you can visit our website manualurdu.com/MCA entrance. So let's move to the main topic. Very first one, the NITKO. It is the National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. Okay, Suratkal. It is in the Mangalore city, Karnataka. So let's talk about the ranking first. According to NIF ranking, with respect to the engineering college, then it stands at 13th place. Okay. Overall, अगर मैं बात करूँ guys, with respect to overall this particular institutes, then 33rd rank in all over India according to 2020. And if we talk about the QS India university ranking, then it is at 63rd place. So guys, even if you talk about the ranking, then you can imagine इस कॉलेज की बहुत अच्छी वैल्यूज है. एंड now see the growth here. NIF का एक कैलकुलेटेड स्कोर्स होता है and according to that particular scores उस यूनिवर्सिटीज को रैंकिंग मिलती है. And see here, in 2017 it was 52.87, 2018 again increase, 55 in 2019, 61 in 2020 and almost 65 तो हो ही जाएगा in 2021. So guys, it is established in 1960. Now अगर मैं बात करूं ओवरऑल NIF रैंकिंग 2019 में इसका प्लेस था ऑन 21st पोजीशन एंड नाउ लुक एट द रैंकिंग गाइस, 13th पोजीशन पर आ चुका है इन जस्ट 1 ईयर एंड वी कैन अज्यूम इन अपकमिंग 2 years इट विल बी बिटवीन 1 to 6th पोजीशन. ओके, टॉप 6th में तो ये आने वाला है गाइस. सो गाइस, इफ यू एम टू एंटर इनटू द NIT, चाहे आप इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स परस्यू करना चाहते हो, कंप्यूटेशनल मैथमेटिक्स एंड द कंप्यूटर साइंस या फिर कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग, गाइस दिस इज द बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर यू. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द NIMSET. नाउ NIMSET ऐसे एग्जाम है जिसको क्रैक करने के बाद यू कैन एंटर इनटू द NIT सूरतकल. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द NIMSET? It is the NIT MCA common entrance test. Okay, NIMSET is a national level test conducted by NITs for admission to their Master of Computer Application program. Okay, so यहाँ मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, we will talk in detail about the MCA program. Now, the admission to the MCA program to the 11 NITs, central universities and the private colleges. Various private colleges and central universities are there who accept the NIMSET score, and 11 NITs तो है ही है. So which one these are? Jawaharlal Nehru University, Hyderabad, Central University, BHU, VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology and the Birla Institute of Technology. Now if you talk about the competition, then guys look at the seat intake and number of the aspirants. Now overall में 11 NITs की बात करूँ then guys, overall seats are nothing but the 951 and look at the number of aspirants. 25,000 plus candidates appeared each year for the NIMSET. So guys, competition is going to occur each and every year. Now guys, you should have all those abilities जहां आपको मिल जाए one seat in that particular NIT, जो भी आपकी dream NITs. Okay guys, you can target NIT Tiruchirappalli, Warangal and NIT Suratkal. Already I make the several videos on the NIMSET. Guys, you can watch our previous video on the Manual YouTube channel जहां आपको cutoffs की भी information मिल जाएगी, even the seat intake and even all about the information. What are the eligibility criteria, paper pattern, selection process, everything. Okay, now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. If you want to enter into the NIT Suratkal, qualification as per the NIMSET, जो भी NIMSET के लिए criteria guys, these will be followed. Applicant must be citizen of India. Candidate must be graduated from the recognized university with minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA and 55% marks or 6 CGPA for category candidates. Study mathematics as one of the subjects. Now 10+2 और at the graduation level आपका mathematics as a compulsory subject होना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay guys, candidates in the final or graduation can also apply. And age criteria, then there is no age bar. If you talk about the paper pattern, then we already discussed in our previous video. 120 questions for 120 minutes and online. Okay, registration process कब start होता है guys? In the last week of Feb. एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज हो जाता है इन सेकेंड वीक ऑफ मे एंड एग्जाम जो होती है वो लास्ट वीक ऑफ मे में हो जाती है गाइस, बट ड्यू टू कोविड माइट बी डिले हो सकता है. ओके, these all are the sections: mathematics and statistics, analytical ability and logical reasoning. 40 questions है इसके लिए, mathematics के लिए 50 questions. So guys, most weightage is for mathematics. With respect to mathematics, आपको shortcut tricks सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. Now, with respect to computer awareness, then 10 questions, general English 20 questions. So overall 120 question is there for 120 minutes. And marking system says for each correct answer you will get +4, while for each incorrect answer you will lose -1. Now basically marking system says +4 -1, but it also include a certain weightage जहां आपके marks consider होंगे out of 1000. Okay, so you will be get marks out of 1000. जो भी ranks होंगे might be you will score 625 to 650 or 680, जो भी आपको score मिलने वाला है guys, and ranking based on these 1000 marks. Okay, so what will be the weightage? Mathematics and statistics will be multiplied by 3. Okay, so out of 50, whatever you score, suppose you solve 40 questions. Okay, so if all these correct, then this will be multiplied by 4. Okay, then 160, and the 160 will be multiplied by 3. So you will get 480 marks out of these 600. ऐसा होगा. And again the negative marking, जिनके भी negative marks हुए वो minus होते जाएंगे. Okay, so जितने भी right answers होंगे that will be multiplied by 4. And thereafter it will be multiplied by 3 thereafter. And same in case of all these sections. Analytical ability and logical reasoning will be multiplied by 1.5. Computer concept will be from 2 and English will be multiplied by 1. Okay, so overall marking will be 600, 240, 80 and 80, overall 1000 marks. Okay guys, now what should be the cutoff needed to enter into NIT Surathkal? So guys, your ranking should be below 175. Okay, so you can easily enter into the NIT Surathkal और score आपका होना चाहिए around 600+. Okay, now let's talk about the selection process criteria. Then काफी simple process है guys. Centralized admission process through selection होता है for all candidates. Common admission procedure known as counseling process. These all are the steps are followed. Register online, आपको online register करना पड़ता है. Thereafter fill the choice and log the same. You can give the preference of all your choices. कौन सी पर्टिकुलर NITs में जाना है? NIT त्रिची, वारंगल, सूरतकल, रायपुर एंड एक्सेट्रा. Okay, so according to your score and the seat availability in the respective institute, you will get allotted to the particular institute. एक नंबर आपको finalize होगा. Suppose NIT वारंगल. Now, if you want admission into वारंगल or not or the सूरतकल, so आपको choices देने हैं and log the same. Thereafter, authority will release the seat allotment according to rank and that particular institute. So you have to pay the seat acceptance fees if you want that particular seat, and you have to take the print, and thereafter you have to report physically to the reporting center. That means your respective NIT. Okay, so this is the selection process. Now we'll talk about the seat intake. So overall seat intake is nothing but 58 with respect to all these categories. Open category 22 seats are there. Open PWD category 1. Open EWS 6 seats are there. EWS PWD there is no seat. OBC 15. SC 9 and ST 4 seats. Overall 58 seats in NIT Surathkal. Now, if you talk about the fee structure, then guys, fee structure काफी nominate है. 2.62 lakhs for 3 years. Okay, so this is the fees for complete 3 years. Now, if you talk about all other institutes, then guys, same fee structure आपको मिल पाएगी in other institutes or in the private institutes. Okay, so why you should not target the NITs? जहाँ fee structure भी काफी nominate है, and if you talk about the placement, then guys, this will gives you the best ROI. So guys, whatever you have invested, you might be want something in the return. So वो return बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. So that's why you should target the NITs. Okay, so prepare for MCA. So if your aims to pursue the MCA program, then guys, definitely you should target the NIT first, and thereafter you can enter into any private colleges जो आपको try करना चाहिए. But first you should target the NITs only. Now, if you talk about the campus, then guys, it is well known as the college which has its own beach. Okay, so यहाँ कुछ life के experience काफी बढ़िया है. So यहाँ आपके लाइफ में काफी सारे एक्सपीरियंस आने वाले गाइस if you are from NIT Surathkal, because most of the students prefer NIT Surathkal first, and because It has its own beach, beautiful campus surrounded around 295 acres. It has all the facilities, libraries, sports facilities, hostel facilities and everything. So if you talk about the campus, then guys, you will get 100% all facilities in these particular institutes, and here this nature's beauty will add the additional points in. Okay, so various programs are run through the institutes, and the Ignite is the annual program. Okay, if you talk about the library, then it has 1,40,000 books. Okay, it's all about the books, not about the journals, guys. Okay, 4,500 plus capacity ka hostels hai, guys, so you will get the hostel facilities also, and campus 295.35 acre mein phaila hua hai, guys. So beautiful campus is there. If you talk about the NIT Surathkal, now we'll talk about the placement. So with respect to the placement criteria, guys, then so here I mentioned stats with respect to all the programs, UG program and the PG program. Now we will discuss about the MCA. So from around 2017 to 2019, okay, 2017 figure says 89.6% was the placement record. Thereafter it increased in 2018, 93%, and since 2019 it's providing 100% placement. Now if you talk about the highest packages, then guys, look at the packages here. 16 to 18 lakh per annum was the highest package. Now being an engineering college, then guys, यहाँ काफी सारे recruiters visit करते हैं, and along with them some of students will got the highest package of around 40 lakh per annum. Okay, so might be you heard about all the NITs and their packages. 46 भी सुना होगा guys आपने, even 40 lakh per annum भी. So this is because जो recruitment process है वो सब सारे students को लेकर साथ में होता है. All the engineering students, MCA students and various programs, जितने भी programs offer किए जाते हैं in NITs, सारे students एक साथ participate करते हैं in the recruitment process. So the highest package was around 40 lakh per annum, but here we talking about the MCA program. So 16 to 18 lakh per annum का package you will easily get. Average 8 to 10 lakh per annum, and the lowest will be around 6 plus lakh per annum. Okay guys, so this is the placement criteria. So these all are the placement stats, and these all are the recruiters. SAP, Amdocs, Max Software, Deloitte, Target Crop, McAfee, Microsoft, Amazon, JP Morgan, JPMC, and various companies are there. So guys, these all are the top-notch companies, and you can also play an internship role in all these companies, जहाँ आपको internship के लिए package मिलेगा around 60K per month was the highest package, and around 25K per month was the lowest package. Okay, so you will also get the internship where you can convert your internship into the permanent job, जहाँ आपको काफी अच्छा package भी मिल सकता है guys. So that's it from the today's video. Still, if you have any doubts and queries, guys, feel free to ask me in the below comment section, where I will try to answer all of you. So guys, if you want a preparation for the NIMSET, just call on 8228581455, and you can also call on all these respective numbers. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. Guys, remember, all link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because guys, यहाँ आपको सारे updates मिलने वाले with respect to all the entrance exams, with respect to all the NITs and the NIMSET. Okay guys, so that's it from the today's video. If you have any doubts, just ask me in the below comment section, जहाँ मैं आपके सारे सवाल के जवाब दूंगा. And guys, if you like the video, hit the like button and do share to all of you. So that's it guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.